Hey guys, my name is Matt Hernandez, and today we're going to talk about the masking function of the FJ wireless series. So for what I do, it can really save a lot of time. There are times whenever I'm shooting outside and it's windy, I'm shooting girls, I might have to take them inside and composite backgrounds in. I also do a lot of senior banners for senior football players, basketball players, baseball players, whatever. Sometimes I shoot them inside, sometimes I shoot them on location, but in the case that I do shoot them inside, I typically do a solid background so I can change the background to whatever I want, and I go shoot it separately. So the mask function is really, really useful for that because it saves your editing time. It cuts it down tremendously. Basically, the way it works is most of the time you're going to have a sequence of 2 fires. So you're going to want to put your camera in high-speed continuous and fire 2 frames off as fast as you can, ideally on a tripod so that there's no camera movement. And what it's going to do is the first sequence is going to light your subject, so all of your main lights, and then the second sequence is going to not light your subject at all, so it's going to create a silhouette, so it's going to be totally black, and then light the background white, which means in Photoshop you can lay that over your first picture and instantly have a mask. So one of the most important things to remember whenever you're using this, and whenever you're doing composites, is that you want the light on your subject to match the light in your environment. So I did this setup specifically for about 3 p.m. in the afternoon. So we're going to have the sun not quite right overhead, a little bit behind the subject, maybe off to one side. So I've got 2 strip banks, one for a hair light, one for an edge light. They're gonna both mimic the sun, because if I have the sun off to the side, they're gonna look just like that. And then I've got a medium octa camera left that's gonna be my key light, right? So those 2 strips are gonna act like my second light, which is the sun on location, and then we'll have the main light to light the front of the subject. Okay, so here you can see all 4 of my lights. We've got the 2 edge lights, one for the hair that's turned horizontally, one vertically for the rim light on the side. Those are both going to mimic the sun. And then we've got our key light here with this medium octa, and then we have the background light. So think of the sequence as the frame. So frame number 1 will be all of my lights that are actually lighting the subject. The edge lights mimicking the sun, the key light, those are sequence 1, frame number 1. Frame number 2 is the background light firing by itself. That's going to create a silhouette of your subject and light the background. So that's what's going to create the mask in Photoshop when you lay it over the first image. So now that we have our 3 images, we're going to jump over to Photoshop, and I'm going to show you how to easily create the mask to cut out the subject and put them on the background. So in conclusion, the FJ wireless system is great for a lot of reasons. This is honestly one of my favorite features. If you do any kind of Photoshop or composite work, this is well worth it because it can save you a ton of time.